water collage. It's gonna be something like this. So, you will need a piece of paper, a plastic bag, some colored pens, any color you like. It has to be felt tip, and a cup with a little bit of water. So, you will need to get the pens that you chose and color in the plastic bag. After you finish coloring, you get the piece of paper and the cup with water, and you dip your finger in the cup and go get it wet, but not a lot. After you finished wetting the paper, you get the plastic bag and put it like this and carefully push it down. Then when you take it out, it should look a bit like this. And then you can just get any colored pen and write anything you want. For example, love. At the end, you can add anything you like. Like here, I added a bit of stars here. And then you can also cut it out if you want to. And yeah. So this is how it looked like. Mine. So thank you for watching the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed and I hope it inspires you to do it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification button so you don't miss any new videos. Bye.